Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. I'm a best-selling author. I was a revenue officer. I want to give you a strategy if you haven't filed your tax returns in a long time. When I started my practice, I never thought I would just be, most of my practice would be dedicated to unfiled returns, but it is. They say about 5 to 10 million people do not file their tax returns every year. So where is the first place that you start if you haven't filed? Well, the first thing you do is, no, you don't have to contact me or something like that. You should, but you can just go to irs.gov. Don't worry, it's safe. IRS isn't going to hunt you down or track you down. And you want to have an account. By the way, they know your social security number. They know you haven't filed. You want to have an account to pull your IRS transcripts, and you want to pull your record of account. There's 4 different transcripts you can have. You want to pull your record of account. With that, it will tell you, find out maybe if IRS has sent you a notice you may not have gotten, it'll be on there. Or if IRS filed your returns and you didn't know, that would be on there too. Those are 2 good reasons. The other thing, you can, on your wage and income transcripts, they will have a record of who you worked for and how much you made. That's the first place you start. You want to find the IRS official record. And then from there, if you don't have records and you're self-employed, which most people are, you can go ahead and prepare your tax returns from BizStats. BizStats is one of about 2 or 3 different platforms that you can use. That you could, if you made like 30,000, they will tell you what your expenses are depending on the trade and industry that you're in. So as former agents, we really actually reconstruct your tax returns, and they'll be within the IRS norms because that platform kind of knows where everybody is in filing. They've kept all the data so you can be safe. The whole idea is to be safe when you file these tax returns. So anyway, that's where you start. You start with the IRS transcripts. Now you have the official record, and then from there you prepare your returns through reconstructive methods. And it may sound intimidating, but I can back into your income. All I need to know is kind of where you live and your cost of living, and I'd be able to figure that out. So I just want you to know, if this is you, you always start with the IRS transcripts and move forward. I've been doing this a long time, and I've written a best-selling book about how to settle with IRS. So if this is you and this appeals to you, you may want to give me a call. But regardless, pull your IRS transcripts. That's the best place to start. Thank you so much. Give me a subscription if you would. I appreciate it. I tell you other really cool stuff on other videos. Thank you.